Wah.
Good morning from Levuka town. It's early in the morning.
See the water.
And we are on our way to the mainland. The village boys from Navuti Moturiki are touring the mainland, as you can see right here. And the reason why we are taking the big boat today, the big ship, is because the weather has been really bad lately. The weather has changed. They say it's winter now, so we don't want to take the risk by going on a small boat, so we are taking the big ship today to the mainland, as you can see right here. The Lomaiviti Princess. And one thing you guys should know, for people that live in the outer islands, wait a minute, in the outer islands, is that this is one way, this is the only way of transportation for them to the mainland. Luckily, we live close to the mainland. Moturiki Island and Ovalau Island is located close to the mainland, so we have this big ship going every day. Other islands that are further away from the mainland, they are not so lucky. Some of them, the ships only arrive once a week, and in the Lao groups, the ships comes once a month. So it's really, we are really lucky compared to them. So it's a real struggle sometimes for these people that lives in the outer islands. But this is one of the way that we can travel to the mainland. Okay, people, let's head on to the ship. Let's see how this. And you can already feel it's like rocky. You know, you have to try to keep your balance. So I'm telling you, the waves and the weather is really bad today. Let's go to the upstairs. And we are in. And we are inside the boat.
It's coming at us fast.
And now we are going outside.
I know we're safe from salvation. Not anymore, sir. Bird girl's just about to run things off.
Yeah, we've reached the boat now, the ship now. Ready to leave the island. We'll move on to the mainland. And the boys are packed well. No stuff is stuff. Is well. No stuff.
Rice. Many drive.
Yeah, we got the bus driver. Drive the bus. Pay all credit.
So people, we are going to the mainland.
Thank you everyone for supporting our videos. It's the mainland now.
Hey, why the hell the captain is not starting the boat when I say we're going? I don't like this boat anymore. And also, down the shipping, one thing I want to say about you guys. Why the hell does it feel like Denmark inside there. It's so cold. Turn down the air condition just a little bit. It's crazy cold. It's warmer to be outside and it's windy.
Yeah.
Come on, Counter.
Honda, you good very well.
Come, hey, we can mandate tengah dit.
Yes, for you.
Mai.
One hole for me.
Kum.
Hey.
And this is our breakfast. Menrai Nimbula from Menrai Tambua. And we have other guys from the village that also gonna hop on this ship today because of the weather. You see them there?
Yeah, that's Captain John Tui.
And we are going to the mainland. Mode Lebuka. Hey Mode! You okay? Good mom, Mode. And this is the cool guys with sunglasses. Bro, even on this big ship, you can feel how strong the waves are. Jesus Christ, you need to keep your balance. See, I'm holding on to the fence, what they call it. But this is the safest way when the weather is bad. Wow, just wow, look.
We are leaving Lebuka now. Going to the mainland in Suva. But yeah, it's cold weather and very windy and big waves. So we managed to jump in, to hop in the ship. But this time the weather will capsize, you will die, swim around, you will die.
Thank you.
So good option to go to the ship. Gonda, go with Suva.
And as you can see, Ovalau Island compared to Moturiki is very, very mountainous. I think I said it right. Mountainous. And that is why back in the day when the British came and settled in Lebuka town, the first capital of Fiji, they couldn't expand because it was so mountainous. So therefore they moved the capital to the mainland of Suva. And you can see for yourself. And people, one thing we can't live without, even though we are going to the mainland, is suki.
No suki, no life. No suki, no bread.
Suki, yeah.
And people, we are reaching the end of the end of Ovalau Island, and you can see this part of the island island is a bit drier than the part of the island further up. And that is what I like about Ovalau Island. You know, it's mountainous and it has different landscape. So further up, it was much lush compared to this part of the island, the end of the island. Husband and wife.
I see.
People, we are going back to the village. We're going back to Moturiki. These guys, they don't want to listen. I don't want to take them to the mainland. The tour to the mainland is cancelled. So we are on our way to Moturiki. That is Moturiki. Ovalau this side and the mainland over there. Just kidding. But as you can see, Moturiki is really small compared to the two islands. You can just see by standing here the size difference of Ovalau and Moturiki. See how small it is? Look, compared to this. And the mainland is a different story. We'll get to that. People, you can begin to see the mainland, that we are getting closer and closer, but it's still on the far distance. The mainland is getting closer and closer, and we have the best tour guide for the mainland. His name is Williame Balewaswas. He's the guy who's gonna show us all the scenery and good stuff in
All the conning.
This guy is very dangerous. Once he hit the mainland, girls, watch out, watch out. Last time he went to the mainland, stories came out. 10 girls bukete. And we are slowly approaching the mainland. Now we just need to get to the jetty, and then we can get off and take the bus all the way to Suva, the capital city. I don't know how it's gonna fit the ship in there between those two other ships, or maybe on the side here, over there. But well, we need to get off somehow, so let's hope he can do it. I trust you, Captain, with all my life. Beta. So the little fiberglass boat in the horizon over there lost the engine, and now they are manually taking the boat back to the mainland. And this is one of the struggles you face in Fiji. Okay, people, we are on the way down now to catch the bus. The ship has laid the anchor, and now we can go to Suva city. And from on there, we will, from Suva city, we will go down to the west to Nadi, where we're gonna spend a few days. And you can see here people are eager to get out. Mind your head. What if you don't have their mind in your head?
Yeah, you see inside we are overcrowded. There's only one door there, so we have to follow the line. But looks like there's no lane here. People are going everywhere. See this one? No good. There we see the canteen of this boat.
Okay, people, we are out. Now we have to find the bus. We just have to pick up our stuff, our table, and then we are on the way.
Maybe the numbers, no.
Sayang warna na karu, erong ko warna kecil na karu. I think we're gonna take this bus, the other bus.
Woi, datang sebut.
Coach kumayo bilang. Tunggu. Kita. Mike. Everybody is going for the bus.
Woi, Cimon. Asta kami kita nak. Abi, kentu.
Everything is crowded.
Mulyo yun.
Fijian style.
Kami galakan ikam doon apa?
Okay, we are in. Okay, people, we are in the bus now and ready to go to the capital city of Suva. So people, we are arriving to Suva bus station. When we arrive here, we're gonna get off and catch another bus to the west, to Nadi. It's gonna be Pacifica or Sunbeam, I think. That's the two, I can't remember. So now we have arrived to Suva bus station. Kuna ka driver? What they? So the bus station is located over there, and this is where we get off. Iya oke, guys hotel lah korang. Iya. Iya.
Bang, apa gitu be?
Nah, itu ni ke?
Kenapa kamu? Apa ini?
Okay, people, we're gonna grab something to eat before we head on to the west, as they call it, to Nadi, to Singatoka, Sugashiri, Sugashiri. Chili beef, chili beef. Chili beef.
Ano kayo ya?
Kyunggo, kyunggo.
Chili chicken.
Wow.
Yeah, that's 72. Last dish. Chili lamb.
Okay, people, we are here at Harbor Center. This place was recommended by Tosese. It's his favorite place to eat because you can get a lot of food for cheap price.
Cheap price, full stomach.
And
Masih naik?
bisa masuk.
Iya. Udah di bawah.
Okay,
Long trip ya.
okay, people. So we're just gonna get something to eat now, and then we'll go back to the bus station and take the bus to Nadi. And also we're gonna buy some food for Billy and Simodi because they are not here. They are out there doing something else. I don't know. So my serve is, I love curry. So it's chicken curry, lamb curry, and chili beef. And you can make 3 combinations, so you can taste a lot of different types. So let's taste the lamb curry. Okay, it's got a little kick to it. It's good. I can taste the hot spices in there and the curry. Let's try the chicken curry. You can see. Well, it's hot. It's hot. And let's try the chili beef. It's also hot and very tender.
Very dangerous.
Very, very dangerous. Okay, people, we gonna eat and then we'll get back. Okay, people, we are at the market trying to find some paper for our suki. But here, you know the thing, they always smoke the boys. And they try to find a high quality paper.
Iya, turun. Kau bayar $50. $5? $1? $50 cents.
Oh, double lang ako. Dami balik na 50 times. Yung batang ko ink to ink. Okay, people, we got the paper. We got the paper for the suki. And now we are on our way to find some suki. Ano so? Parang lang pang Suva mo. Okay, we got the suki people. Now we're gonna try it.
We're gonna taste the suki. It's good, and we can gonna buy more, so we can take it down to
The village.
the west. West. A little bit, little bit cook.
Oh,
Kadidi.
total.
This one is not good.
One of my uncle in the village say when the suki is not good, he just said like this. Oh fuck, nanti kena kadidi, kena suki.
Here we try another one. We put here.
This is Joel, the boss of this market. This is the boss of the market in Suva. And he's from moturiki too. He's from Nadi. Basta kaya tinangon kuno sila kanjin.
Hey chico. Yung naman nila kwa na ko iko. Lenga.
Singatoka. Singatoka do ya.
One of Tongo.
Hah? Enggak.
One of Tongo. Very good.
Naik, kereng din do.
Good one.
Mix.
Doang.
May ruang.
Okay, thank you.
Enak kan? Okay, people got the suki. They found a really good one, so they bought more. And that's how you do when you're in the market. You go around, if you want to find some suki, there's different spots in the market. And then you just try them out until you find which one is good for you. Now it's time to go to the west. We need to catch the bus. And let's go. I love the buses here in Fiji. They're so colorful, but you also have to watch out you don't get run down by one. This is a very dangerous area. Only when CC kids come here. Those guys. Hey, dangerous.
This one no good. Nadi daw naman sisiya.
Set. Okay, benar berat. Yeah, okay, set benar berat. Okay, people, we just got our ticket, and now we are on our way to the west.
Baru yang tuan kali ni, yang tuan ni, wani, yang tuan.
Eh, warung. Eh,
Baru satu kita.
Kau ni kah?
Aku. Baik, dah tu, kau tu.
Okay, benar.
Okay, benar.
Ya, nak.
Okay, we got our tickets. Oi, Kai. Kan? Video ko Kai. Vamos mai Kai. Vamos mai ta, gua nambil na YouTube.
Pula. Karena tuh lek-leknya aku tukang TV Western, tukang piano. Segera post tuh. Yang akan nggak suka TV start tuh cerita lah habis gue lah dan kalau layu ditunggu hari itu kan vacation.
Okay, people, we are on the way to the west now. Okay, people, we have arrived to Singatoka town, and we're gonna be here for 15 minutes before the bus leaves again. I don't know if the guys are gonna go outside, but okay, let's go check it out. Fuck me. I slept most of the way from here to Singatoka, and you can clearly feel the heat from here. This side of Fiji, it's more the sun shines more. Have you done a juice? Have you done a
Bilo?
50 cents? Okay, you go. Okay guys, I'm gonna try a glass of juice. Okay, since the guys are having a smoke break, I'll try this juice, local juice for 50 cents. Looks good, looks good. 봉은 위나까? 봉은 아닌데? 이거 불려. 아 예뻐대. Whoa, real sweet, and it's from the lime. See, the best juice you can get in Singatoka from this guy. 어머니다. 몇 달래? 아? 그렇지. Everything roti. $1. Okay, we're gonna try some local roti too. Roti. Okay, I'm gonna buy 6. 어디야? 가능이야. Oi, total. Men total, bitu. Yo. Okay. Okay, Vinaka. Okay, we have the roti and we had some local juice. The best juice in Singatoka right here. Naka. And now we are on the way back to Nadi. Okay, this is the local roti, and I'm standing here because there are a lot of people. And let me taste this. The best roti in Singapore. Yo, there's too many in this bus. It's a disgrace, to be honest, because the best roti in Singapore is today's sponsor. sponsor of this video. I don't know why they let too many in the bus, because every people can't get a seat. So some are standing up and some are sitting down in the middle. I don't know what the hell is going on. Look. Imagine if there is an accident happening. All these people are standing up, they will just fly towards the front. No safety at all. Someone was thirsty. And we have arrived to Nadi station. And we have arrived to Nadi bus station, and you can see it's peak time, so there's a lot of people at the station. And of course, as soon as we get off, we need a suki break. So we aren't we're not allowed to smoke at the station, so we're gonna go outside. We are in the city Nadi to find a trimmer so we can get a haircut so we look fresh, because now we're in the city.
Hello.
Hi, trimmer. This.
Yeah.
What about village about? Good.
Yeah, big.
So people, we have the trimmer now, we have the razor blades, and now we are going back to the bus stand, and then from there we'll go home to where we're gonna stay in Nadi. It's between Nadi and Lautoka. I don't know exactly where it is, but Luke here knows. Okay, we are looking for a truck or a carrier, as they say, for transportation, because we have a lot of, you know, things we have with us, and a lot of people too. Okay, people, we have the carrier now. It's called Wild West. I'm gonna get in. Look at how small this space is. Hey. Berapa keneket na?
Ya, macam
keneket na lang berapa? Keneket na lang. My cousin Nanda and see if he's at work, so we can get the key and get home to him, because it's been a very long trip, and we just want to go and relax and get, you know, trim.
Lepas mat.
That's Bar 1, the famous nightclub
In Nadi.
in Nadi, and also the best one.
More girls there. More girls with a dick, eh? You touch the middle, you see the cap. You touch at the bottom, you touch the two balls, eh? Okay.
He has arrived,
As a nagus.
and of course the guys are doing the suki. Iya, tunggu. Papa. And we are now on our way out of Nadi airport. Maybe in the future we can do a video where we travel overseas. But until then, let's go to
Suva.
let's go to Nanga's place.
Ati kung sarap ka sarap. Tabal kita menuju kita kuno inan juga sarap. Nanti menutulur ya bakan ko.
And we have arrived. Look, 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 look. Look at that, man. Amazing, amazing scenery, man. One thing you notice when you come here to the west is that the landscape or the nature is not as lush as when you go over to Suva and that side where we are from. But it's because that here in the west they tend to get good weather more than we do, so hence that's why the nature over here is not as lush as our part. But it's nice still. Look, still have mountains and good weather. Okay people, we are in the house now preparing dinner, and then we're gonna start our tour tomorrow. So let's see you guys tomorrow.